Now, the company has become a comprehensive manufacturing enterprise, integrating lost wax casting, heat treatment, machining, assembling, and testing for a variety of mechanical parts. Products are exported. Customers from USA, Germany, Italy, France, Netherlands, Spain, UK, Australia, Japan, and other countries. Many of them are world-famous company and top 500 enterprises. Products for petrochemical industry, automotive and shipbuilding industry, food and beverage processing, water treatment, mechanical equipment, and other more industries. Undertaking OEM order serve the clients worldwide. The weight of the products we can cast from a few grams to more than 50 kilograms. That included valve parts, pump parts, automotive parts, fluid transport fitting, engine parts, etc., and any component based upon investment casting technology. The materials we casted: stainless steel, haste alloy, duplex stainless steel, alloy steel, tool steel, and carbon steel, etc. More than 100 kinds of metal material grade in different standard will provide not only investment castings but also the parts with sheet metal, stamping, forging, welding, and other mechanical manufacturing process. Our company obtained ISO 9001, ISO TS 16949, PED 2014-68 EU, and AD 2000 W0 certificate, and Development Department is the Municipal Enterprise Technology Center of the city. HZCAE casting process simulation system is adopted, and using the Pro-E, UG, SolidWorks, CAXA, CAE, etc. software as design tool, and can help customer to make improvement on the part structure to reduce manufacture costs. The laboratory has full facilities to make necessary inspection and tests. All raw materials must be checked in the laboratory to ensure the incoming materials meet standards. To do the relevant test and inspection according to customer requirements, including chemical composition, mechanical properties, metallographic structure, dye penetration, and other necessary testing items. CMM in dimension checking. The effective quality control systems ensuring products get reliable and controlled in every link of parts manufacturing. The independent developed wax injection machine with automatic taking device. Primary laying drying line is one of our new patent. Particularly designed with alterable bottom blowing system, the shells to be dried well within 3 hours from 8 to 12 hours of traditional way. Equipped shell making robot to ensure the quality of shell molds are stable controlled. Quick drying room is also a patent. In a room, fast air with low temperature from different directions, speeds, and boosts the moisture move out of shells. It reduced the drying periods of multiple lays to 2 days from normal 5 to 6 days. This invention improved much efficiency of production. A double removable pouring device we designed for the bigger parts to decrease the intensity of works during pouring process. The 3,400 square meters machining shop equipped Mosaic machining centers and other complete sets of machining equipment. We can provide the finished machining parts according to customers' requirement. Ultrasonic cleaning machine drying and cleaning the finished products. Boasts the first foundry with own ceramic core research and production capacity in China. And this is a well-known feature. The ceramic core we can make with different characteristics based on the shape of our parts. Especially, it is the know-how that a core has enough high strength in pouring process and very low collapsibility in cleaning process. The core makes many unable become too able of very complicated parts in investment casting. Standardized warehouse management provide the necessary inventory to the customers to ensure the delivery on time and safety. Meeting customers' demands is our pursuit, paying attention to every feedback from customer, sustaining improvement, sustaining innovation, and getting development together with customers.